Yeah, I had been outside, man. Yeah, I'm sitting here drinking. Yep. Welcome to making me some coffee. I had to put me some more in, man, and get it done. Yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take and blow it up. Yeah, I just wanted to come out here and just to find something to film. I love filming, man. I love filming. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I think I'll see y'all later. Bruh, this shit is nasty. All right. All right, man. I had to get this out. I had to make sure I had to get this out. I don't think I ever put none of this in there yet. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put some. Yeah. Yep. Welcome to making me some coffee. I had to put me some more in, man, and get it done. Yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take and blow it up. I'm making me some coffee. Man, I sure miss my motherhood, man. She not sleeping right now. I gave her some little snacks. I mean, not snacks, but like light food, cereal, little drink, just a little bit. I gave her a little energy drink, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't give her no sodas. I don't give it to her every day. Just every blue moon, I give her a little sip. You know, like a little taste of it. You know. Yeah. So right now, this video is entitled "Making Me Some Coffee." Something I haven't did. Yeah. It don't look like it, but I'm really hurt. I'm really in pain over my mother, bro. But I know I can't do nothing but just live in the present and do the best I can to help her get where she needs to be. You know what I'm saying? Just keep pushing and just keep pushing and pushing and pushing and just sitting there. It's tough, but you know what? It's easy because I love doing it. But at the same time, you know what I'm saying? The thing, it can be pretty challenging, but I don't even think about that. You know, my main goal, I'm just focusing on just trying to get her right, you know, get her right and get her all the way back 100% back where she used to be. That's all I'm worried about. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm in the room now, so I'm gonna see y'all. No, I'm gonna test this here and see how this came out. I had been outside, man. Yeah. I'm sitting here drinking me some coffee. Yep. So I'm gonna get up out of here and I'm gonna see y'all later.